In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cloudflare error. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. The very first step you need to do is you need to open up your Chrome. If you're using your Android, your smartphone, your iPhone, or your Mac, or your PC, just open up your Chrome. So for those of you that don't know what Cloudflare is a global company that provides internet services to improve websites and application security, performance, and reliability. So if your Cloudflare is not loading, just watch what I'm going to show you in this video now. So click on this three-dotted icon, click on settings. Now the very first step you need to do is scroll down. You're going to be able to see safety check. So click on it. So click on check now. So Chrome can keep you safe from all these issues. So once you have done it, make sure everything is checked good. So once you're done, click on this done. Then once you need to do again, click on this, click on settings, scroll down, click on privacy and security, click on save browsing, change it to enhanced protection. Once you're done, click on done. You're going to be able to see always use secure connections. Make sure you turn it on. Once you're done, click on delete browsing history. I would recommend 24 hours. Select 24 hours, click on browsing data. Come on here, uncheck this, click on confirm. Once you are done, reboot your device. Just make sure you reboot your device, whether your iPhone, your Android, or your smartphone, any of them. Once you are done rebooting, everything is going to be working well now for you. So see, everything is going to be working well fast for you. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.